Hello guys, this is episode 2 of me eating cereal. Today I have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Enjoy. So far pretty good. Started off with a pretty good crunch. I really like the cinnamony flavor. It really just packs a punch to my taste buds. And the way it just mixes with the milk makes it taste so delicious. Each crunch has like a smooth but like crispy feel to it. It's just like perfectly balanced, as all things should be, as all cereals should be. Pretty good. I hope everyone's having a good morning so far. I know I certainly am. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not intending for these to be ASMR videos. I just want to share myself eating cereal. So, I'm sorry if I came off in the wrong time, in the wrong type of subject. But no, I'm not an ASMR channel, nor have I intended to be. I'm just a guy who eats cereal. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good slurp. It appears we're coming down to our last couple spoons. There's about 2 to 3 spoonfuls left. There's the last one. Now, it's time to drink the milk. And block the light for you guys. Alright, well, that concludes episode 2, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day.